So Ziplevel has capability of taking average readings, and you might want to use that, for example, if you wanted to infill an area and you wanted to get a rough idea of how much soil or concrete or whatever you were using would be needed to fill it in. And the way you do it is, first of all, is to set the measurement module into the record mode, which you do by pressing and holding that, and you'll get the word rec on the left hand side there. And I'm going to use the unipod with it rather than putting it down on the floor. So you then go to the edge of the area. In this case, we want to try and estimate how much soil would be needed to fill in between these metal sides, and so you go onto the edge of it and zero it, and then take as many measurements as you think are going to give you a good indication of the infill. So you need to measure high bits and low bits. So if you started here, and everywhere you're going to take a measurement, you press the hold and wait until it beeps and it tells you it's locked in. So we go over there, and then you continue. I mean, let's say every foot or 300 millimeters, and you go right the way along, which is going to take us a while. So so let's say we've done the whole thing. So if you then press the rec again, that shows you the average. So the average depth of that is 8.4 centimeters, and multiply that by the area, and you've got quite near to the volume you'd need to infill it. It will also show you, if you press the rec again, it'll also show you the minimum reading, which in this case is the deepest reading, and the maximum, which was the shallowest reading. But what you were really interested in for this job would be the average.